Over the last 4.5 years, we managed to scale our software agency to the multi-7-figure business. One of the biggest challenge of every founder that is running a software agency, AI automation agency, a web shop or a design house, like pretty much just the agency business, is how to get the leads. I've met hundreds of founders and all of them, they have their own unique ways of getting the leads. In this video, I want to show you what worked for us and how we managed to get thousands of different leads, so you can just watch it, get some inspiration for your own business and implement it. Let's dive to it. So how to get leads for your AI automation agency, software agency, design agency, web development agency using YouTube. In this particular video, I want to show you what worked for us, and I'll be straight to the point. YouTube worked for us for about 95% of the lead sources. We've tried cold emails, we've tried cold reach out through LinkedIn, we've tried social media strategy through TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. I even grew my Instagram at some point to around 120k followers, and it still didn't bring me that many leads as YouTube. I was going to conferences with my co-founder, I was asking for referrals, I was doing collaboration with other companies so they can refer us and we can refer them, and still YouTube is our #1 lead source. And in this video, I just want to show you how can you create your own content strategy and implement it for your agency business. And now I want to show you the proof. So right now we are here on my email. I just type form new response. This is our form notification. I'll show you in a moment how does it work. So like if you click on a random email here, you will see here there's like services build new solution. This is, I simply would like to pull all types of Amazon store data via the API. Here's the budget 10 to 25k. Let's go like somewhere there. Here we have 2 fields: development, Amazon ads, SPAPA, software 10 to 20k. So this is how does work for us, right? Like we've managed to build like our content engine, which brings us the leads. I'll show you in a moment how pretty much does it work, so you can think about your own like content strategy. The way it works here, because I want to also show you some of the other like solutions that you can implement in the agency, is you go to our website, deltalogic.com. We are expert in the Amazon Selling Partner API. So for us, actually, this worked out. We are #1 in the world, experts in the Amazon SP API. This is like super niche and expertized topic. So if you, for example, design only the website for lawyers, or maybe if it's a SEO agency, you just make SEO for law companies. It might work for dentists, for doctors, right? Like in the end, you need to find your niche, right? You may work and have your own dev shop with React.js experts or Python experts. There are a lot of different niches. One thing is like you can have technological niche or you can have industrial niche. For us, it was actually I was kind of in the middle, because it's e-commerce / marketplaces and plus technology, which is the SP API. So that would work out for us. But anyway, let's go here, work with us. We have very simple form. You can pretty much pick one of those services. Let's say build a new solution, test video, right? Picking the range. Let's say I have $25,000. Okay. And I'm just doing here. Okay. I'll just put here. Yeah. All right. So that's how it works. By the way, if you have your own lead magnet for the web form, you really need to be also fast. So this is one of the tips I will highly recommend you guys. We're actually contacting every lead within 12 hours. Anyway, this is how it works. Now let me show you the backend. So first of all, we're getting the form notification right away here with all of this information. Previously, we had integration with our CRM system that was Pipedrive. We actually switched recently to ClickUp. We are running our whole company in ClickUp, and I will be recording more videos how you can set up your own workspace for your agency business using ClickUp. If you want to actually use it, there's a link in the bio. I also want to be honest, we have the affiliation with them. So by signing there, you're also helping our channel. Let's go here to sales workspace, to forms, and you will see this form is just added over there. It's already Chris, my co-founder, assigned here. And you can see here that all of the information is already here in our ClickUp system. And from there on, our sales representative, in this case, my co-founder Chris, he'll take care of this lead. Now, how to do it, okay? Let's just go to YouTube overall as an incognito. And first thing first is like, okay, what's your niche, right? So the niche is something that you're becoming the expert for. So you have your services that you serve clients in this niche. And then when it comes to a YouTube content strategy, you really need to optimize for that, okay? So let's say that you want to create maybe AI chatbots or maybe websites. In previous video, I gave you the example of creating the websites together with AI chatbots on top of them. I think we've covered as an example that you will be selling this to some local businesses, for example, to gardeners, hairdressers. In this particular case, maybe for today, let's pick the lawyers. Lawyers have a lot of money. So let's say that your niche is actually that you want to sell some services, websites, for example, to lawyers. Website for lawyers. Okay. What you'll see here is that there's this guy, right? The perfect law firm website. Yeah, seems like this guy is probably building or doing something for law companies, right? Like here you can already see, want me to help you scale and automate your law firm, book here, right? Seems like this guy has something to offer. And also, just so you know, this is like very random thought. Like I haven't really prepared anything. Let's say website for lawyers or AI chatbot for law company. Let's see this one. Yeah, seems like here it's the same guy. Seems like this guy is really all into lawyer space. So yeah, there's also one guy here. Building AHS for lawyers, step by step, right? Let's do maybe not the company, but like for doctor. And seems like here there is already some content around it. So I want you to understand that if you're going to offer some services, you need to develop content in this niche. So let's take our case, Delta Logic. If you just put SPAPI, you'll see already, okay, the official Amazon SPAPI, then you'll see tons of our Delta Logic tutorials, right? So I've built like #1 tutorials. Actually, I've covered literally everything. So like how to connect. Here you can have click for the playlist, and you have around 25 different videos covering various topics from the Amazon SPAPI. So now you see what I'm trying to cover here. When you're in a niche and you're trying to get to certain industry, certain clients, the YouTube #1 strategy is pretty much offering your value for free. So recording content around that. If you go to analytics, other than my business videos, because I have a lot of business videos in the agency dudes. So when I shared like insights and tips and tricks on running the service company, agency, and pretty much like the one that you are watching right now. So I'll tell you here which are those, but I'll also tell you which are pretty much the Amazon SPAPI videos. So if you go here, you'll see that, okay, now the first one is how to start the agency. But those videos, they are up and down. Like some of them, they are getting on the YouTube algorithm. Sometimes they are getting more views, sometimes getting less views. But when it comes to those very technical videos in the industry, they have not that many views, right? Like if you see here, like last 48 hours, but like they always have consistent views. Why? Because they are very expertise topics which solves particular problems that our clients are looking for. So also when I'm running our software agency, I'm not looking for huge reach with the audience. Out of those views here, like let's say it's 500 views from all of those like Amazon videos. If I just get 1 or 2 or 3 forms and I convert one of them to a client, I'm already booked. I'm already booked for a month or for 2 months. I need to hire developers, I need to hire project managers, okay? And that's how pretty much it works with the service businesses, right? So if you're building websites fully custom, or if you're offering AI automation services, which are also usually done custom because you're going to like automate certain workflows or create the AI agents, those cases are still custom for clients, right? So your pipeline of projects can get stuck very quickly, right? So that's why I'm saying that, hey, try to find the biggest challenges of your target audience, solve them for free, like literally give value to your potential buyers for free, record it as a YouTube video, cover those topics, and then let the YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, do the rest, okay? Because from what I saw, what I understood is that normally you'd hire the salesperson for your like service business. She or he has a limited time in a day where they can work, right? Let's say 8 hours. Maybe they can do 4 hours of cold calls every single day. Maybe they can find some clients, right? But like, let's say they only work from Monday to Friday. It's very hard to scale such a team. And also it's very expensive and inefficient. But when it comes to YouTube videos, I feel like they work like a salespeople 24/7. Because once they do a lot of upfront work, which is like research, preparing materials, recording the video, then editing this, publishing it on a YouTube, then this is kind of like an investment for the future, right? For example, here, how to use Amazon SPAPI catalog items, right? Like I only have 15 views in the last 48 hours. But like really, that's what I really need. I mean, how many of people are actually searching for this, right? This is like super unique, super niche down topic. you deploy literally a sales agent that is working 24/7 because people are trying to get on those videos. Now, let me show you also how does work here, right? Like, let's say you're watching this video, trying to do something with the catalog items in the Amazon space. You found this video, it actually helps you, it solves your issue, but like you still have questions. By watching this video, you're actually getting familiar with my personal brand. You are probably going to check here. Maybe I already helped you before, so you already got trust in me. And you can actually see here that, hey, this guy is offering some professional coding services, okay? Now, I don't have time to code myself, and I need experts. I'll go and check out their page, okay? Now, they already landed on the page, like our potential client, right? They see custom solutions for your marketplace business. Okay, seems like this is a company that's offering various services that I might be interested in, right? Like, okay, they are also like here, somehow connected to Amazon. So yeah, they seem like they are the experts. Actually, when it comes to videos itself, like the structure of the service business, like testimonials, resources, case studies, all of that, I'll do completely different video. In this particular video, I just wanted to convince you and tell you how important it is to actually create your own unique content strategy and leverage YouTube to get clients for your agency business. So that's how pretty much it works in very short, definitely covering this topic multiple times in our community. And so also if you're watching this and you want to join the community of agency founders, freelancers, aspiring entrepreneurs, go down to the description, click the link and join our community Agency Dudes. This is a very new project I'm working with my co-founder on right now. That would be it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think, what you want me to record next. And thanks for watching. I see you in the next one.